How to Work in Korea as a Filipino Vertical Bar EPS Korea Step-by-Step Guide 2025. Do you want to work in South Korea legally? Are you wondering how much the salary is and how to apply? Welcome to Work Abroad Life and Legal Tips, where we help you understand the legal processes of working abroad. Today, I'll explain the Employment Permit System, EPS, which helps Filipinos work in Korea without a placement fee. Watch until the end because I'll also share tips to pass the EPS-TOPIK Exam and how to avoid scams. The Employment Permit System, EPS, is a program between the South Korean government and the Philippine government, through POEA DMW, that allows Filipinos to legally work in South Korea in industries like manufacturing, fishing, and agriculture. Why choose EPS? No placement fee, government-to-government program, legal and protected employment, same labor rights as Korean workers, high salary 90,000 pesos per month. At Work Abroad, Life and Legal Guide, we believe that knowing your rights is the first step to success. Let's check if you're qualified for EPS. EPS qualifications for Filipinos. Age 18 to 38 years old. No criminal record, NBI clearance required, no previous illegal stay in Korea, must pass the EPS-TOPIK Exam, Korean language test, physically and mentally fit for work, medical test required. If you meet these requirements, you can start the application process. And don't forget, at Everyday Legal Guide we bring you legal updates to help you navigate foreign employment safely. Part 3. How to apply for EPS. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, register for the EPS-TOPIK Exam. To do this, visit the POEA or DMW website to check EPS-TOPIK registration dates. Register online and pay the exam fee, which ranges from 1,500 to 2,500 pesos. Take the EPS-TOPIK Exam and aim to get at least 80 out of 200 to pass. The EPS-TOPIK Exam is in Korean, so start learning early. I'll share some tips to pass later in this video. Next, take the skills test and a medical exam. Some industries require basic skills tests and you must pass a medical exam at an accredited clinic. Then, wait for employer selection. If you pass, your name goes into the EPS database, and Korean employers will select workers from this list. After that, if selected, sign your contract and apply for an E9 visa. Make sure to check the salary and working conditions before signing. Apply for your E9 work visa at the Korean Embassy. Finally, attend the Pre-Departure Orientation Seminar or PDOS, and then book your flight. You're now ready to start your new job in Korea. Part 4. How much can you earn in EPS? Let's break down the salary for the year 2025. The basic salary is 2,060,740 Korean won per month, which is approximately 90,000 pesos. There's also overtime pay, which is 1.5 times the hourly wage, and bonuses for night shifts and holidays. With proper budgeting, EPS workers can save up to 1 million pesos per year. Make sure to subscribe to Everyday Legal Guide for financial tips as well. Now that you know how to apply for EPS, are you ready to work in Korea? If you found this helpful, share, and subscribe to Everyday Legal Guide for more updates. What topic should we cover next? Comment below. Before we end, a quick but important disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not legal advice or recruitment assistance. Work Abroad, Life and Legal Tips is not affiliated with DMW, POEA, HRD Korea, or the Korean government. We do not process applications and we do not offer jobs. If you want to apply for EPS, please visit the official websites of the Philippine Department of Migrant Workers or DMW and HRD Korea. Do not trust unauthorized recruiters or pay placement fees to third parties. For official EPS applications, visit DMW POEA https://dmw.gov.ph/HRD Korea https://www.hardkorea.or.kr Moel Korea https://www.mol.go.kr. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Work Abroad Life and Legal Tips.